Ever wondered what Häfele is and why so many designers and contractors swear by it? Let's break it down. Welcome to Plaiwoo, and today we will explain it. Häfele is a German company that's been redefining furniture fittings and architectural hardware since 1923. From smart lighting systems to kitchen accessories and drawer mechanisms, Häfele focuses on precision, durability, and innovation. When professionals talk about quality, Häfele often tops the list. Their products are built to last, smooth, silent, and perfectly engineered for modern living spaces. Compared to other brands, Häfele stands out for its versatility. Whether you're remodeling your kitchen, upgrading your closet, or designing custom furniture, Häfele delivers professional-grade results every time. With thousands of positive reviews from architects and homeowners worldwide, Häfele proves that investing in quality hardware makes all the difference. So yes, Häfele is absolutely a great brand. And at Plaiwoo.com, you'll find the best selection of remodeling materials, all from trusted names like Häfele. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and explore Plaiwoo.com, your go-to marketplace for remodeling materials and inspiration.